Hey guys, stick around to the very end because I have a special offer for you. It's actually a competition. So stick around to the end, I'll let you know a bit more about the competition. Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to easily create a Hangman game book that you can sell on Amazon KDP. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now just recently Bookbolt has released 3 new puzzles to put in their Bookbolt Pro section. Now let's have a look at what they are. Now over here I'm just going to go up to where my name is. I'm going to go down here. I'm going to go down here to Puzzle Whiz and we'll have a look at the 3 new puzzles. Just going to quickly log in to Puzzle Whiz. Okay, first one we got is 𝗘𝗏𝗶𝗀𝗁. I don't know a lot about that. I'll have to do a bit of research before I can do a video on it, but I'll do a bit of research on this and then I can teach you about it. Then of course we go down, you've also got Hangman and then you got Mindfinder. So the 3 new ones are Mindfinder, Hangman and 𝗘𝗏𝗶𝗀𝗁. But the one we're going to be focusing on today is Hangman. First thing you're going to want to do is go down here to choose the one you want. So over here on the left hand side you choose the one you're wanting. Now first thing you're going to want to do is download the example file. So all you need to do obviously is left click on that and that will download it onto wherever you choose to save it. Now I already have one downloaded, so I'm not going to download another one, but that's the one you would download. Now what that download looks like, alright, so as you can see they have various words in there and they go for about 60 words. Now all you need to do if you want to add more words is you just have, if you want to go more than say 60 pages long, you can go and find more words and add them to it, usually leaving a space. We do about 10 and then leave a space, do another 10, leave a space, etc. It's pretty easy to do. So there's that. You also have you can choose whether you're going to do it with bleed or no bleed. You can choose the various sizes. You've got 5x8, 6x9, 8.5x11. You also have double-sided, and you also can choose the amount of pages. In this particular case, I'm going to be choosing 30 pages. I'm also going to be choosing a 6x9. I'm going to leave it as double-sided, which is the default. And I'm not a big fan of their default font, so I'm just going to go down here because I like it. I like to make the audience not have to struggle to read it. And then I'm going to go here because include solutions, match puzzles. Then we got page numbers. And over here, all you have to do now is select the file. Select that file, go to wherever you're saving it. In my case, I saved it on my desktop. And we need to go down to where the file is, which is this one here, which is an Excel folder. So you just double click on that. As you can see, it is bringing it across to here. So all you need to do now is hit submit. And in a moment or two, it will open this up and you will have a 61-page book. So all we need to do now is click on that, left click on that. It'll open it up for us. Now I want to save that onto my desktop, that's fine. Save that there. And once it asks me to drop it out of Dropbox, there we are. We can open that up. And you can have a quick look at what that looks like. And as you can see, 10 per page. And you have 60 pages long. Now it randomly chooses some extra words for you. We go down about halfway, give or take. And there is the solutions page. So, and then obviously you just match the page to the solution. So no doubt, if you haven't played Hangman before, it's usually a two-player game. One person has the words and the other person has to guess the answer. Now obviously as a Hangman solution, you can go up here. They have to guess what the answer is, and you can add a different limb. For example, you can add a head there, you can do arms, individual arms, and you can do a body, you can do an individual leg. You can add hair if you wish to, or eyes and nose and mouth, just to make it a bit easier for your person who's answering. And it may be, and you can also give them clues if you want to be able to help them out and be able to help them to be able to choose what to do. So as you can see, you've got 6 letters in this one, you got 3 letters in that one, etc. And you know, they may get hung, they may not. Anyhow, let's now turn this into a book cover. Now, what I normally do is I normally go grab my Fast Stone Capture, which is, it's only about $20, and the best part about it is it's a lifetime license, so you get it forever. So you can also use it as a screen capture software where you can video record your screen if you wish to. But in this particular case, all I'm doing is using it to capture this section of the page. So all I'm doing is capturing that much. That is fine. And all I need to do now is hit Save As. And I'm going to call it Hangman Image. I've already got that there, so I'm just going to click that there. And I'm going to hit Save. It'll say I've already got it, because I do. And that is replacing it. So I'll just get rid of that. Now I'm going to open up a PowerPoint presentation. And I'm going to choose my blank screen. Over here on the left hand side, I'm going to right click, go down here to Layout, and I'm going to choose Blank Layout. Okay, now I'm just going to race through this. What we need to do is go over here to the Design section, just click on that. Over here to the right hand side, you'll see where it says Slide Size, click on that. Go down here to Custom Slide Size, we'll click on that. And we're going to be turning this, making sure it's in inches, we're going to be turning this into 6 by 9. We're just going to highlight over the top of that, make that 9. We're going to be keeping it one page, we're going to hit OK, we're going to make sure it's in Sure Fit, and that's exactly how we want it. Now, first thing we're going to be needing to do is going over here to the Home tab. We're going to go over here to the Shape section. We're going to grab the rectangle shape, we're going to cover over the top of that, and we're going to literally cover this entire page with the rectangle. Now, over here, still under the Shape Format section, we now click on here. We now go to No Fill, and we go No Outline, and we have the first part finished. Now, if you remember where I saved the image, we have to go over here to Insert, go here to Picture, and then it says this device, so we're going to be grabbing the image from this device. And if you remember, it was on my desktop, and it was called Hangman Image, so we're going to grab that one, and it is this one here. So I'm just going to get rid of that for one moment. Just going to open that up for just a little bit to make it a bit bigger. There we are, that's lovely. So what we're going to now do is I'm going to go over here to Insert, and I'm going to choose a shape. I'm going to choose this particular shape just here. I'm going to insert that right here. And then even I'll go to the outline section, I'll remove the outline, so no outline. Then I'm going to add another shape at the very bottom. Go over here to Home, or you can use this one here, just grab that. And we're just going to do a little line at the very bottom, just to make it look a bit nicer. And you can add some text there if you wish to. Right click here on that box and hit Edit Text. Now what I now choose to do is type in here, save yourself from being hanged. And of course you can make it large, you can make it smaller, you can muck around with how you want it. I'm going to be making it a bit bigger so as it stands out. About there, looks fine. Choose a different font. Go down here to Arial Black will do quite nicely. I might even shrink that down just a little bit as it's a bit too big. That will do. And then of course, you know, you can change it around, you can add things here. I'm going to go back to the shape format section, remove the outline, and you can add things like the size of the book, various other aspects to it. And then what you need to do, once you've got all of this done, what you need to do is grab hold of this entire image, just click on the box and click on every aspect of it, and this way you just make sure you've got it all. Go Control G, and that will group it all together. Then all you need to do is right click on the image and save as a picture. Image cover 6:9. Okay, that'll do. Hit save. Now the reason you might want to do that is so as you can add it to the cover of your KDP book. Now quite often when you need to download anything onto the KDP book, you'll need images to put on there, and that's what you've just done. You've just created the front cover image, and it makes it much more uniform. Now if you wish to, you can also do all of that from here as well, and it just makes it so much easier. But anyhow, that's what you've done, and that's how you then create the image. I'm just showing you a basic design. You can make it as fancy as you want. In fact, you can make it as fancier. The fancier the better, because the more it'll stand out. Okay, so that's it for this particular video. Now remember at the beginning of the video, I said to you there's going to be a competition at the end? Well, here it is. You can have access to 1 month's free trial of Bookbolt Pro. Now to enter the competition, all you have to do is leave a comment down below saying, I would like to enter the comp. Now, once you put that down in the comment below, I'll know that you're going to be part of the competition. And in next week's video, I will draw the winner. And then all you need to do is contact me, hit me up, and I'll be able to give you all the details on how you can claim your winnings. Now that competition runs for 1 week, and as I said, all you need to do is, I would like to enter the comp. Just put that down in the description down below, and you'll be in the draw immediately to become a part of the Bookbolt family. But it's only for 1 month. It's a 1 month trial, and you can cancel at any time. But it is a free 1 month subscription to Bookbolt Pro to give it a go and see whether you like it and see whether you think it's worth keeping hold of. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hey, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, and while you're at it, why not consider sharing as well as leaving that comment down below. Make sure you do if you want to enter that competition. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.